Welcome to the Autoverse, your go-to channel for the most authentic and engaging automotive content, from classic cars to modern innovations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1970 Citroën 2CV, a car that became an icon for its simplicity, practicality, and unique design during the golden era of automobiles. The 1970 Citroën 2CV, often affectionately referred to as the tin snail, was built for affordability and utility. Its quirky and minimalist design, featuring rounded edges, a corrugated metal roof, and exposed wheels, made it instantly recognizable. Designed to navigate rural France, the lightweight body and high ground clearance made it adept at traversing uneven roads, while the large signature headlights added charm to its already unique appearance. Under the hood, the 1970 model was equipped with a modest 600 TWAC air-cooled two-cylinder engine, producing around 28 horsepower. While not built for speed, this engine prioritized fuel efficiency and reliability, making it perfect for its target audience. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the 2CV offered a surprisingly smooth ride for its time, thanks to its innovative suspension system. This suspension, designed with long travel and interconnected components, absorbed road bumps with ease, ensuring a comfortable experience on both paved and dirt roads. Inside, the Citroën 2CV was just as unconventional as its exterior. The cabin featured basic amenities with removable fabric seats and minimal controls, emphasizing simplicity. The dashboard had a single speedometer gauge and basic switches, reflecting the car's utilitarian ethos. While it lacked modern luxuries, the roomy interior and foldable rear seats provided impressive practicality, allowing owners to carry everything from passengers to farm supplies. As a collector's item today, the 1970 Citroën 2CV has gained significant appreciation for its historical significance and charming design. Depending on its condition, rarity, and level of restoration, prices can range from $10,000 for functional models to over $25,000 for meticulously restored examples. Its timeless appeal continues to attract enthusiasts who value its cultural importance and unique engineering. Thanks for watching the Autoverse. If you enjoyed this look at the 1970 Citroën 2CV, give the video a thumbs up and share it with other car lovers. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting insights into classic and modern vehicles. Stay tuned for more automotive stories that capture the spirit of innovation and nostalgia.